Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to share Game Steam 2025. Open your Steam app. There, from the Steam menu, click on Settings. Then in Security, confirm that Steam Guard is enabled. After this, from the Steam menu, click on Exit. Now log in with the other user with whom the games will be shared. Click on the Steam menu to choose Settings. Again, in Security, confirm that Steam Guard is enabled. After that, open the Family option. Here, enable the switch, authorize library sharing on this device. After a moment, you will see the available accounts. Enable the switch for the account to share. You will click on Manage to check which users have access and since when. From the Steam menu, click on Exit or Sign Out Session. Log in with the other user, and from the library, you will see the games that have been shared on Steam. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.